Have you ever trusted a gut feeling but couldn't explain why? That's your intuition at work. This mysterious force guiding our choices is not some elusive sixth sense. Rather, it's a fascinating interplay of our past experiences and subconscious cues. Imagine it as a silent partner in decision-making, whispering suggestions based on the patterns it recognizes. It's a complex yet intriguing aspect of our minds, often overlooked. Intuition might seem like a superpower, but it's actually rooted in our very human, very scientific brains. So, how does our brain pull off this seemingly magical trick? Well, intuition isn't as mystical as it may seem. In fact, it's all about the brain's remarkable ability to process information rapidly and unconsciously. Imagine your brain as a supercomputer, constantly absorbing data from your environment and cross-referencing it with your memories. This lightning-fast processing allows you to make decisions without even realizing it. You might feel a sudden urge to take a different route to work, not knowing your brain has unconsciously picked up on subtle signs of a potential traffic jam. But why do we have intuition? It's actually a survival mechanism that has evolved over millions of years. Early humans relied on their instincts to avoid predators and find food. And while we no longer face the same threats, our brains continue to use this ancient system to guide us. So you see, our instincts are nothing more than our brains working overtime, processing everything we've learned and experienced to guide us towards the best possible decision. In the blink of an eye, intuition makes sense of the world around us. It's not some mystical power, but rather our brain's impressive ability to rapidly and unconsciously process information. It sifts through past experiences, current context, and subtle cues to provide us with an immediate sense of what's right or wrong. So, when you're faced with a decision and your gut is telling you something, listen to it. It's often the best guide you have. Next time you get a gut feeling, remember, it's not magic, it's science.